Hey everybody, it's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. How are you? Happy Tuesday. I'm hanging out in the woods this weekend in northern Michigan. Just want to record something a little bit early. But I'm doing my infamous yearly morel mushroom hunt. We did really well yesterday. I'm out here with my chosen family and they're out in the woods somewhere. But what's making it more challenging this year is, I don't know if you knew that northern Michigan had a horrible ice storm and it downed a lot of trees, snapped them in half. So on this video, you're going to see the challenges I did where I had to climb over logs and sticks and all sorts of stuff to find the mushrooms. And you'll see the pictures towards the end if you haven't seen them already. But it's been great. Finding the yellow morels. The black ones are a little bit early and those are done. So we're on the very end of the yellow, the white morels, and they've been great. But it's just a disaster. I'm looking around at these trees and things, and you'll see this in the video. So I hope you had a great Memorial weekend. Thanks for joining me again. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy the video ahead. Thanks.